Today is the Judgment Day of Season 2 in the Dragonheir Silent Gods. After playing over 1 week, I have some good news and bad news for you. So I'm going to start with the good news, and the good news is we have 2 legendary heroes that we can summon. It just takes some patience to collect these Helios dice, and of course spending maybe gems on the Helios dice, it's your choice. But right now we have a 4th firing summons. Every 10 summons guarantee a legendary hero, and you have 20 summons that mean 2 legendary heroes. This is something that we didn't have in the season 1. Season 1 was a season with a lot of struggles getting some heroes, using a lot of 3-star heroes, but right now we have 2 legendary heroes. And the good thing is this event don't have any timer, so till the season 2 end you have to collect these 20 Helios dice. In my previous video I make 10 summons, 3 summons to hit these 10 summons, and I get one hero that I'm so happy with this one, and this hero is Cow. Cow is absolutely awesome hero. I'm so happy with this guy. Of course, everything here is determined by burn and stuff like this. I'll not go into details about this hero, but believe me, this guy is absolutely insane. The Helios dice is still going to be very hard to get it. Right now, I spent my gems to buy a Helios dice, something that I didn't do previous season, one of my mistakes. I spent a lot of gems in the stamina, but right now I spent everything in the Helios dice because heroes are going to stay. Your gear, your runes, everything is going to be resetted, but heroes are going to stay. So this is maybe something that I suggest to all of you: save your gems and buy Helios dice, my personal opinion. Just couple words before we move to the next section. It's not only Carve that I'm so happy. I managed to summon one very good tank, and this is Garius. So far I'm so happy with this hero, providing with absolutely insane spells, healing for everybody, also increasing his defense and so on. Absolutely great tank. If you get him, definitely level up him. So from good news, let's move to the bad news, and bad news is everything is so hard. Everything is buffed. Right now these creatures are so hard for me, even though they're level 60. Is still very big pain to actually manage to kill. All of my heroes is close to be killed, so you have to cook a lot of these stuffs and try defeat these mobs, because in the season 2 everything is buffed. So there is something good on one side, you're going to start with a lot of heroes, but on the bad side is all the creatures are boosted. But let me show you one combat and what I'm talking about. Right now, as you can see, all these creatures are hitting for solid massive damage. I'm going to try to kill them. Every fight right now is okay. One of my things are dead right now, and as you can see, it's not so easy. Even right now I'm going to die, and this is level 60 creatures and I get defeated. So you get the idea. The creatures here are buffed, and this is the missions to open my Forge 2. I already did it. I think that was maybe the most hard thing I did so far in the season 2, and this is to open my Forge number 2 and finally start crafting some good items, even though I don't have this thing here that can actually help me forge some good items and good sets that is finally going to provide you with some extra boosts, not only the item status. The game provides you with some helpers in this journey, and this is some extra buffs. Currently I picked this one. In the current area, increase all alias damage dealt by 50%. This is the buff I pick just to boost my power. Of course, let me know in the comments which one you pick. And this is some kind of helper, but it's not only buffs, you also have the buffs, and this is monster specialty. Monsters inflict healing prohibition for 10 seconds on the slayer upon death. This is maybe for me the best thing that I can pick, so at least to lower the power of these creatures. There is also one thing that happens when you enter in the season 2, and this is your heroes get resetted to level 1. So I want to talk about the good and the bad sides of this. Now the good one is we already have a lot of heroes. We're not starting like in season 1 with no heroes, maybe only with your main character, but you have a lot of heroes that you can pick. And also you know very well your heroes. It's not like the beginning of your journey you get a hero and you don't know what is the power of this hero. I think this is strong plus for all players, and they know the best way to level up their heroes, the best way to progress in the game. Just the knowledge people have is going to make this transition from level 1 to maybe higher level way more easy for a lot of players. Now let's talk about the bad part, and this is Goblin Lair. Well, you have to do a lot of Goblin Lair to level up your heroes and actually make them useful at some point. At the beginning, just focus doing a quests, and from there get some potion with experience and level up your heroes. Save your stamina for the latest stages of the Goblin Lair. Of course, you have to pass the first stages, but you get my idea. Just delay going in the Goblin Lair and do more quests till you hit the point where your troops no more, your heroes no more can fight with the creatures, because creatures are very powerful. From there you can focus, of course, in the Goblin Lair. Also the gear, just few words about the gear. Definitely craft everything till level 8. I mean, the first gear is basically free. You can get him by walking on the map. You can get these crystals pretty easy to get. Just collect them, level up your gear till level 8. Now a few words about the commissions and events. Events for me look absolutely the same. Hard training 1, hard training 2 is basically passing a Goblin Lair, and of course ice challenge. All these events we already have in the previous season, so maybe there is going to be a new one, but there is not big change in general in the events. It's just normal journey events like in the season 1. From there I'm going to jump to the commissions. Now I expect, to be honest, these commissions to be very hard in the season 2, maybe kill some creatures, stuff like this. I mean, to evolve the power, the hardness getting these commissions done, but it's not like this. You just have to go talk with somebody, get back with something, deliver to somebody and stuff like this. I mean, normal commissions like in the season 1. It's not so hard. I expect it here to be very hard with your leveling of your hero, because leveling your hero open other instances. And speaking about instances, this is the instance or dungeons I already opened. Of course, at the beginning you're going to have the Goblin Lair 1. Still not open Goblin Lair 2, but yeah, Frost, Templates, Flame Domain. Right now I open Grave of Venom and Grave of Curse. I'm so happy with this. Flame Domain is still very hard. I mean, the boss there do absolutely massive damage, so I strongly suggest everybody go to the Frost Domain. Way more easy. Level up your hero. If you want, switch your main hero to Frost, upgrade him, and then switch to Fire when you go to the Frost Domain. Very important that this one is the starting point for the rest of these two domains. So this is my overview over the season 2. I'm happy with the game. The game is Dragonheir Silent Gods is awesome game. A lot of people agree with that. Some people was not happy with some of the changes that you get in the season 2, but I'm happy. The game is absolutely great. There is a lot of story, a lot of things that you can do in this game. So I guess this will be for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. If you do, consider subscribing to this channel. I make Dragonheir Silent Gods videos, maybe one every 2 days, but anyway, stay safe and see you in the next video.